Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is drink dispensers. As we can see, this is a cylinder one. So we do have a marks on top of it that give you the 3 liters in total, about like 100 ounce. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the entire units, they are about like a 32 inches tall. And the width of the units, they are almost about like a 6 inches wide. And the width of the units is almost about like a 9 inches deep. For the cylinders, the diameters, they are about like a 3 and 4 inches diameters. So we can see they have a single tabs at the front, and you can just push down to get a water or any drinks drops. And looking at the tops, this cap can be removable, and it's made by all this plastics, and you can put some ice in your side to keep the temperatures. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products, and if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.